Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this past REE board exam problem. If Tom and Jerry work together, they can finish the job in 4 hours. If working alone, it takes Tom 10 hours to finish the job. So how many hours would it take Jerry to do the job alone? Let's try to solve this problem first using our conventional solution. So sabi sa problem, if si Tom and Jerry daw will work together, it would only take them 4 hours to finish the job. Kapag si Tom alone naman, it, it would only take him 10 hours to do the job. So how many hours daw will it take Jerry to do the job alone? So ito yung magiging ano natin. So using the formula for work problems, so that is 1 over T of Tom plus 1 over T of Jerry is equal to 1 over T together. So let's substitute the values. So 1 over T of Tom, that is 1 over 4, 1 over 10. Plus 1 over T of Jerry, that is our unknown, is equal to 1 over T together, that is equal to 1/4. So we have 1 over T of Jerry is equal to 1/4. Transpose 1 over 10, 1 over 10, magiging negative 1 over 10. So we have 1 over T of Jerry, so 1/4 minus 1 over 10, that is equal to 3 over 20. So therefore, the time that will take Jerry to do the job alone is equal to 20 over 3. So that is equal to 6.67 hours. So ito yung magiging final answer natin. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.